Good day to all employers. My name is Alameda Lasso. I am 26 years old. My height is 155 centimeter. I'm single and no kids. I'm college undergrad, 2 years HRM, and vocational course graduate in situ caregiving. I don't have a work experience in working as domestic helper in Hong Kong, but I have work experience in Philippines in 2 years. I serve one couple and 2 kids. My duties is taking care of children, cooking, cleaning, ironing, doing laundry, and marketing. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. And also, I can sing nursery rhyme like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, please choose me as your housemate because I'm honest, hardworking, obedient, and flexible. I promise to prioritize my job and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.